Morning, friends. Today, let us start problem number 23. So, it is also regarding a fitting binomial distribution. Okay. So, let me read the question first. 12 dice were thrown 4096 times. So, how many dice were thrown? 12 dice. So, here small n will be equal to 12. And how many times these 12 dice were thrown? For 4096 times. That is, capital N will be 4096. So each 4, 5 and 6 spot appearing was considered to be success, while 1, 2, 3 spot was a failure. Calculate the theoretical frequencies for 0, 1, 2 up to 12 successes. So here what he is asking, a dice means generally children will play, no, so that dice will be there. In that dice 6 faces will be there. In each face one dot will be there. Okay, so here so total 6 faces will be there in a dice. So probability of being success is 3 faces, that is 4, 5 and 6 means 3. So 3 by 6, how much you will get? 0.5. Q is equal to 1 minus P is equal to 0.5. So now you got N, capital N, small n, P and Q. So what is the formula for binomial distribution? N into P of R equal to N into NCR into P raised to the power of R into Q raised to the power of N minus R. Okay, this is a formula for fitting binomial distribution. So here we have to do this P of R is equal to 0 up to P of R is equal to 12. Okay, so here as P value and Q value are same, so here the values will repeat from 0 to 6, some values will be there, and the same values will repeat from 7 to 12. So yesterday I told you the technique. So here bases are same, so you can add the values. Like that you can do the problem quickly. Even though it is lengthy, you can do it quickly. Okay. So first let us start with 0. P of R is equal to 0 equal to, so here you will be having N. N into P of R equal to 0 equal to 4096 into 12 C0 into 0.5 raised to the power of 0 into 0.5 raised to the power of 12. So once you need to find out 0.5 raised to the power of 12 value, afterwards you can substitute it directly. Is equal to 4096. So already I told you if your R value is 0, so n value may be any value, you'll get 1 as the answer into 0.5 raised to the power of 12. So here 0.5 has to be multiplied for how many times? 12 times. So what is the answer that you are going to get here?
0.000241. 0.
4096 into 1 into, you are getting
0.000.
0.0024. You take up to 24. Okay.
Okay.
So 4096 into 1 into 0.0024, you'll get
9830304.
0.834. Okay. This is P of R is equal to 0. Next, n into P of R equal to 1 is equal to 4096 into 12C1 into 0.5 raised to the power of 1 into 0.5 raised to the power of 11 is equal to 4096. So if R value is 1 and n value will be anything, so nc1 you will get always n value, so answer here will be 12 into 0.5 raised to the power of 12 is equal to 4096 into 12 into 0.00024 will be equal to 11.7966.
9648.
Okay, fine. Okay, now build n into P of R equal to 2. This color is very light. Is equal to 4096 into 12C2 into 0.5 raised to the power of 2 into 0.5 raised to the power of 10. Get 4096 into, we need to find out 12C2 value. 12C2 is equal to 12 factorial divided by 12 minus 2 2 factorial into r factorial, that is 2 factorial, is equal to, so your 12 minus 2, how much will get? 10. So 10 is the largest number that I'm going to write directly, and smallest number I'm going to expand. 2 into 1. So here highest value in denominator is 10 factorial. So 12 factorial I'm going to expand up to 10 factorial. 12 into 11 into 10 factorial. 10 factorial, 10 factorial will be cancelled. 2 into 6 will be cancelled. 6 into 11 you will get 66. Into 66. So now you can directly write the answer. No need to expand the one more step here. 0.5 raised to the power of 12. Okay. If you want, you can write, no problem. One more step will increase. So let us write directly 0.00024 is equal to 4096 into 66 into 0.00024. You'll get answer
64.88.
60.
4.88.
Please check once again. Four zero nine six into
Yes, sir.
66 into 0.00024. 64.88. Okay.
88. Yes, sir.
64.88 will be the answer. So I'll wait for 1 minute. Please copy this.
Okay, sir. Over, sir. Copied.
Okay. Next, P of R equal to 3. Okay. So n into P of R is equal to 3. 4096 into 12C3 into 0.5 raised to the power of 3 into 0.5 raised to the power of 9 is equal to 4096 into So 12C3 means here we need to find out. 12C3 is equal to 12 factorial into divided by 12 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial is equal to, first let us write here 12 minus 3 factorial here 9 factorial into smallest one I'm going to expand 3 into 2 into 1. 12 I'll expand up to 9 factorial.
Into 10 into
9 factorial. So 9 factorial I'm going to cancel. 3 2s are 3 4s are sorry. 3 4s are 12. 2 5s are 10.
10.
So 4 into 11 44. 44 into 5 how much you are getting?
220.
220. So 220 will substitute here into 0. Let us write directly 0024. You are getting
216.26, sir.
216.26. So this is P of R is equal to 3. Next, n into P of R equal to 4. 4096 into 12 C4 into 0.5 raised to the power of 0.5 raised to the power of 8 is equal to 4096 into, so let us find out the value for 12C4. 12 factorial divided by 12 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. So 8 factorial is the biggest number, so that I'm going to write here, and 4 factorial I'm going to expand. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this I'll expand up to 8. 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. 8 factorial we cancel. 4 3s are 12. 3 will be cancelled. 2 5s are. So 11 into 5 55. 55 into 9.
495, sir.
You're getting 495.
5.
So 495 into 0.00024 is equal to
486.60, sir.
486.60.
60.
So this is P of R is equal to 4. So I will do up to P of R is equal to 6. Remaining part you need to do yourself. Okay. So
Okay.
up to 6 the values will be there. After that the values are going to again repeat, means it is it will increase up to n is n into P of R is equal to 6, and again the values will decrease, okay, from P of R is equal to 5 onwards. N into P of R equal to 5 is equal to 4096 into 12C5 into 0.5 raised to the power of 5 into 0.5 raised to the power of 7 is equal to 4096 into, so 0.0024, I'm writing it early. So let us find out 12C5. 12C5 is equal to 12 factorial divided by 12 minus 5 factorial into 5 factorial is equal to 7 factorial into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this 12 factorial up to 7 factorial. So 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. 7 factorial will be cancelled. Okay. 5 2s are 2 and 2 will be cancelled. 4 3s are 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So what are the things that are left out here? 11 into 9 into 8 into 8 you need to find out. 11 into 9 into 8.
792,
Rating 792.
sir. 2.
So 792. 4096 into 792 into 0. It is 00024. Sorry. 00024 you'll get
778.56.
778.56.
56.
Okay. This is P of R is equal to 5. Next, n into P of R equal to 6. 4096 into 12c6 into 0.5 raised to the power of 6 into 0.5 raised to the power of 6 is equal to 4096 into 0.0024. So let me find out 12c6 answer here. 12c6 is equal to 12 factorial divided by 12 minus 6 factorial into 6 factorial. So anyhow the value will be is equal to 6 factorial. One I'll write both are 6 factorial, one factorial I'll expand, one I will expand. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. Here I'll expand this 12 factorial up to 6 factorial. 12 into 7 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 factorial. 6 factorial and this 6 factorial I'm going to cancel. 6 2s are 12. 2 and 2 I'm going to cancel. 5 2s are 4. 2s are 3. 3s are. So what are the things that are left out here? 11 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 7. 11 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 7. You're getting 924.
Yes, sir. 924.
So 924 you substitute here. You will get
908.32, sir.
908.32.
8.32.
So I will wait for 1 minute. Please copy this.
Okay, sir.
So again you will get the values from here onwards. 792 for 778 to 216.26, like that you will get answers. Again it will decrease. The same values you will get again, but in a decreasing manner you will get. So I'll give the values for remaining things. Okay. Shall I clear it now?
Wait, sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, you can clear, sir.
So I'll write the values for all the things here. Hence, fitted So whatever answers that we got, that I'm going to write here. R is equal to 0, you got 0.9834. Next, for 1 you got 11.7965.
6.5.
In the examination, he won't give up to 12. He'll give either up to 4 or 5, just like yesterday, previous day. Okay. But this is for practice purpose. He has given.
Okay, sir.
In examination, he won't give this much lengthy because it takes 1 hour time. At least half an hour he will take for this if he is giving up to 12. R is equal to 3 or 216.6. R is equal to 4, you get 486.60. Next, R is equal to 3, we got 778.56.
0.56.
R is equal to 6, we got 908.32. Again, these values will be like this now. It will be in the decreasing manner like this here. Again, for R is equal to 7, you will get 778.56. You will get for 8, you will get 486.60. For 9, you will get 216.26. For 10, you will get 64.88. For 11, you will get 11.7965. For 12, you will get 0.9834. So the values will be reversed like this. So now please copy this. Okay, friends, at 11 o'clock, you are having financial statement analysis from Sunita Madam. And
Okay, sir.
at 12 o'clock, you are having English class by Aditya Madam. Okay. So regarding that, the data has been already sent you. The classes will be taken in Zoom only. So now you can ignore this GoToMeeting app. All the faculties are trying to take in Zoom only. So to avoid the disturbances from some of notorious students.